How to build wealth in 5 years, realistic version.
Have you ever wondered if it's actually possible to build real wealth in just 5 years? Not become a millionaire overnight.
Not double your money in a month. And definitely not through some secret investment strategy you saw on social media. The answer is yes, but only if you focus on realistic habits instead of unrealistic promises. In this video, I'm going to show you a practical 5-year wealth building plan that anyone can follow, whether you're just starting your career or trying to get your finances back on track. Let's dive in! First, let's define what wealth actually means. Wealth isn't about driving a luxury car or posting expensive vacations online. Real wealth is having enough money invested so your future becomes more secure and your financial stress becomes smaller over time. The first step is increasing the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Many people focus only on earning more money, but they ignore their spending habits. Imagine you receive a raise at work. Instead of investing the extra income, you buy a more expensive car, upgrade your phone, and increase your monthly expenses.
This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest reasons people stay broke, even when they earn more.
Instead, every time your income increases, invest a large portion of that extra money before you spend it.
The second step is building an emergency fund.
Life is unpredictable.
Unexpected medical bills, job loss, or car repairs can happen at any time. Without emergency savings, many people are forced to sell investments at the worst possible moment. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses for investing aggressively.
Now let's talk about investing.
For most beginners, consistently investing in diversified, low-cost index funds is one of the smartest long-term strategies. You don't need to predict which company will become the next big winner. Instead, you own a small piece of hundreds of successful businesses. Historically, markets have experienced ups and downs, but patient investors who stayed invested over long periods have often benefited from long-term growth. Another powerful habit is dollar-cost averaging. This simply means investing the same amount every month, regardless of whether the market is up or down. When prices fall, you buy more shares. When prices rise, you buy fewer shares.
Over time, this helps remove emotion from investing and builds consistency.
Now here's something many people overlook. Increasing your income can accelerate your wealth much faster than only cutting expenses. Learn valuable skills. Negotiate your salary. Start a side business. Freelance.
Create digital products.
The more value you create, the more opportunities you have to earn more money. But remember this: higher income alone doesn't create wealth. Keeping and investing that extra income does. Let's talk about debt. Not all debt is equal. High-interest credit card debt can destroy your financial progress because interest works against you instead of for you. If you have expensive debt, make paying it down a priority while continuing to build healthy financial habits. Another mistake people make is trying to get rich quickly.
They jump from one investment trend to another.
Crypto today. Meme stocks tomorrow. Some new guaranteed opportunity next month.
Successful investors usually ignore the noise. They follow a simple plan and stay consistent year after year.
This is where compound growth becomes powerful.
Your investments earn returns. Then those returns begin earning returns of their own. At first, progress feels slow. But over time, growth can accelerate dramatically because you're earning on both your original investment and your accumulated gains. The key ingredient is patience. Remember, building wealth isn't about making one perfect decision. It's about making hundreds of good decisions over many years.
Save consistently.
Invest consistently. Keep learning.
Avoid emotional decisions.
Stay focused on your long-term goals.
So, can you build wealth in 5 years?
Absolutely.
Will you become an overnight millionaire? Probably not. but you can completely change your financial future.
You can build strong investing habits. You can grow your savings. You can create multiple income streams.
And most importantly, you can put yourself on a path that continues creating wealth long after those first 5 years are over.
The best time to start was years ago.
The second best time is today.
Take one small step.
Open an investment account. Increase your monthly investments. Learn one new financial skill. Read one great finance book.
Small actions repeated consistently create extraordinary results.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical investing and personal finance content every week.
Thank you so much for watching.
Keep learning. Keep investing. Keep building your future.
I'll see you in the next video.